Okay, hello again guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing different formulas to find the area of a triangle. And the first one we'll start with is one you've probably heard of. It's called half base times height. So for this formula, we basically multiply the base of the triangle, length of the base, times a half. So again, we divide it by 2 and then we multiply that by the vertical height of the triangle. So from here to here will be the vertical height, and then as you can see, there's a line here denoting the base. So let's start with this triangle. For this triangle, we have a base of 8 centimeters and a height of 4 centimeters. So we'll go half times 8 times 4. Now half of 8 is 4, so we end up with 4 times 4, which would be 16. And of course, we have to always remember our unit, so that's 16 squared centimeters. Now let's look at this triangle. This right angle triangle here has a vertical height of 20 centimeters and a base of 10 centimeters. So we'd go ahead and say half times 10 times 20. And half of 10 is 5, so we end up with 5 times 20, which is 100. And it is again squared centimeters. Now let's move on to another formula. Let's draw ourselves a new triangle. Now, for this one, we're going to label this side. We're going to label this A, B, C, and then we're going to label the angle opposite to each side. So the angle opposite to C, we'll call this angle capital C, call this one capital B, and we'll call this one capital A. Call that one capital A. So for this triangle area formula, we are finding the area by using one angle and two sides. So we would pick an angle and then we would find the side of that angle and multiply it by the product of the two sides which encompass it. So let's say we pick this angle right here, capital C. What we would do is we would say half A times B times the sine of angle capital C. So this angle here multiplied by the two sides that encompass it times a half, and of course you have to sine the angle before multiplying. So let's say we had angle C equal to 30 degrees. And we have A equals 8 centimeters and B equals 10 centimeters. Then we'd write this as half times 8 times 10 times the sine of 30, which we know already to be a half, so we can now simplify this. If you know that sine 30 is a half, we can simplify this. Half of 8 is 4, so we can have 4 times 5 because we know 10 times a half, that would give us 5, and then this now would give us 20, and of course we didn't put any unit, so we could just write unit squared. So remember, area is always in squared units. So let's look at the final formula to use to calculate the area of a triangle. This one is known as Heron's Law or Heron's formula. Let's go ahead and relabel our sides. We have sides A, B, C. Now this formula requires you to have all the length of all three sides, and you don't need an angle. For this one, we sum the length of all three sides, so we say A plus B plus C, and we multiply it by 2, so we half the perimeter. And when we get this value, we call it S. Now, Heron's formula says that the area of the triangle, let's call that A, is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So we would go ahead, we would find the perimeter, divide it by 2, and we get S. Then we would plug S and the A, B, and C values into this formula, and it would give us the area of said triangle. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you